So yeah, this is my race car. I've been racing for about 20 years. Does 300 miles an hour.
That's so fast.
Yeah, 1,000 horsepower.
Hand off the merchandise,
Oh.
buddy.
Sorry, bud.
By the way, that's my mom.
Welcome to Make an Image Monday, where we don't take photos, we make images. Remember that kid in the last video? Well, today he's racing his race car for the first time. And in order to document such a monumentous occasion, we're going to take some portraits of the guy. So let's get to it. Hey, high five. I think we got it. Looking tough. You have to look like you know what you're doing there. Tough guy right here. 1, 2, 3. Why don't you put that hand right here? Sit up nice and straight. Nice straight back. There you go. All right, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Bring your chin up just a little bit. Just keep doing that. It looks awesome. 1, 2, 3. Look off that way. Just stare off into the distance. There you go. Perfect. Just like that.